In this episode, we're going to learn about the plant life cycle. It takes time for a seed to grow into a plant. There are many steps involved. First, the seed is planted in the soil, and then it's given water and sun to grow. Next, small roots start to grow down from the seed, and then the sprout starts to grow up and out of the ground. Then, the sprout uses sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil to grow, and soon it becomes a seedling. The seedling then grows into a young adult plant. The young adult plant is much taller and has more leaves. Then it grows into an adult plant. The adult plant can grow fruit or flowers on them. The flowers make pollen, which are carried by bees, birds, and butterflies. The pollen helps the flower grow seeds. Fruits already have seeds in them. They can be planted into the ground and start a whole new plant, and the process starts all over again. Now that we've learned about the life cycle of a plant, let's see if you can identify which part of the life cycle the plant is in. What part of the life cycle is this? What do you think? You're right. They're the roots. What part of the life cycle is this? What do you think? You're right. It's the leaf. What part of the plant is this? What do you think? You're right. It's the stem. I hope you like this lesson on the plant life cycle. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.